Today's thing is talking about a video calling platform. So as you can see, there are a lot of different kinds of apps. So we will introduce everyone. The objective in this presentation, we will cover FaceTime. It's simplest video calling app for Apple users. So if you use iPhones, iPad, or MacBook, you can use this FaceTime. And there are alternatives for non-Apple users such as Skype, Zoom, WhatsApp, and Duo. So in this session, we will comparison FaceTime and Duo. Okay, so the first thing is FaceTime for Apple users. The FaceTime, the app picture looks like this. It's green videos. Okay, this is pre-downloaded on all Apple devices. So there is no need to download a new app or create an account. And also allows video calls to be made with the same as regular phone calls. And the function can be used to call from any Apple device to any Apple devices, such as MacBook, computer, phones, or iPad. And the FaceTime limitations can only make calls to other Apple users. So if your friends, they are not use iPhones or iPad, so you cannot use FaceTime. And not as many features as other video call apps. And setting up FaceTime, if you are using a Mac computer or an iPad, you will need to sign in your Apple ID to be able to use FaceTime. The second, if you are an iPhone user, FaceTime will use your phone number to make calls. The third, if you use both an iPhone and an iPad or a MacBook, your phone number and Apple ID will sync and your calls will appear to come from your phone number. So it actually depends on your phone number. Okay, the next, using FaceTime, iPhone and iPad. So to use FaceTime on your iPhone, all you have to do is either select the FaceTime call option when looking at the context or open the FaceTime app on your device. So FaceTime, this app looks like this. It's green color with the camera. And when you open your phone number context, you can see your friend's name here. And there are blue icon here, shows video. You just press this one and start your FaceTime. Okay, next. Using FaceTime iPhone, iPad as well. In the FaceTime app, you will see a list of your previous FaceTime calls, which you can click on to call again. Like this picture, you can see your friend's names here, and also shows FaceTime video and the time. And if you want to call this friend again, you just press here and start your FaceTime. Okay, the second, you will also see a plus button. You can click on this button to search for a new contact and start a new call. You can see here, the icon here is plus the new friend's number. Okay, the next. Within a FaceTime call, you have a few options. You can take a screenshot of the call and flip your camera, mute and unmute yourself, and add effects. So like this picture shows, you can press this white circle icon its screenshot. And this effect, you can add some animal face on your face or some different effects. And also here's mute and unmute icons here. And this flips, you can change your front camera or back camera. Okay. If you click effects, you will see these options appears at the bottom of your screen. It takes over top of your image. Add color filters and add shapes, or turn yourself into a Bitmoji animation like in the second photos. So you touch, press this icon effect, and there shows different kind of functions. And you can choose animals such like this. Your face will change to the cow or other animals. Okay. If you would like to add more people to your FaceTime call, there's a mix 36 people. So swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Select add person. Then select the person from your contacts list you would like to dial into the call. And you have to do this one by one. So like this picture, you want to add other friends here, you just press add person, and you just type their name and their phone number. One person, one time. Use FaceTime on your computer is very similar to using it on your phone or tablet. When you first open the app, you will see your image on the right side of your screen and the list of calls on the left side. Then to start a new call, click on one of the names or search for the person in the search bar. So you can use this search bar and enter your friend's name or their email or number, and will show here. And you type if you want to call Midori, you just press here and you can start your FaceTime. Okay, next. If you want to add more people to the call, click the leftmost button at the bottom of your screen. The icon looks like this picture. And then add more people to the call by clicking add person. Looks like this. Okay, the next. There are other platforms. There are alternative video calling apps. So there are many other video calling apps that are similar to FaceTime for their simplicity and easy to use instant calling features. This can be used on both Apple and Android, smartphones, tablets, and Windows and Mac computers. So they are Google Duo, Skype, WhatsApp, and Zoom. Okay. Skype. Its group video calls have a maximum of 50 participants, and there is a time limit of 100 hours per month on group calls, and works on Apple and Android devices and all computers. WhatsApp. These group video calls have a maximum of 8 participants, and there's a time limit of roughly 1 hour for WhatsApp video calls, and works on Apple and Android devices and all computers. Okay. This one is Google Duo. The picture is blue color with the camera. So these group video calls have a maximum of 12 participants, and there's a time limit of 25 hours for Google Duo video calls. So it is per call, and works on Apple and Android devices and all computers. So basically, all people can use this app. Okay, Zoom. Up to 1,000 participants and 10,000 viewers. Oh, it's a lot. And 40 minutes time limited for free Zoom video calls within more than 2 people. But unlimited one-to-one meetings. And virtual backgrounds and video filters. And easy screen sharing and virtual whiteboard. And breakout rooms. Okay. And this is Facebook Messenger. This offers unlimited text, voice messages, video callings, and group video chat features. And there is 8-person limited, but no time limited. Every people must have a Facebook account to use and must be Facebook friends with the person or people you want to call. Okay, there is a comparison. FaceTime is both for Apple to Apple calls. It's very easy to use. And the Zoom is large scale meetings, but free account calls with more than 2 people will end after 40 minutes. And both instant messaging, it's WhatsApp, is this one, green icon. And Facebook Messenger is this blue one. And both for Google integration, it's this Google Duo. But for teaching, it's Zoom. It can share the screen. So here, Google Duo is this blue one. FaceTime is the green one. The platform availability, while FaceTime is only available on Apple, Duo is available across all devices and platforms. And Duo shows only contacts in your phone book that also have Google Duo installed, making it possible to only contact those who are also using Duo. So this is Google Duo. If you want to use this app, your friends also need to download and install this app on her or his phone. And then you can use this to chat. And it's to use. Both Google Duo and FaceTime have simple user interfaces, unlike Teams and Zoom. With FaceTime, you need to go into the devices main settings app to modify settings for FaceTime. You also have to search for contacts manually to make a new FaceTime call. And Google Duo has all of its settings within the app and lists all your eligible contacts on the main app screen for easy access. Okay, next. The features. Both apps have similar features, but there are some that set each one apart. So FaceTime has special effects and filters and supports live animal emojis, and emojis are available only on Apple's platform. So this is FaceTime. Privacy. FaceTime users enjoy the security and reliability that comes with Apple's closed, short, and tight ecosystem for its operating systems. Google might be known for collecting data, but dual codes are encrypted end-to-end and are considered very secure. Okay, there are lots of links. There are Google Duo, WhatsApp, Skype, FaceTime. There are a lot. So you can visit their website and choose which one you want to use. Okay, now it's live demo. Okay, you can see this is my phone screen. And there's FaceTime here. And there's a Google Duo here. If you use your iPhone or iPad or MacBook, you will find here on your screen, FaceTime, only for Apple users. And Google Duo, the icon looks like this picture. And whatever your Apple users or Android system, everyone can download this app. And I will open Google Duo. So far, only one person here. You just press here, and you can see voice call on the left button. And we usually use video call. You just press this blue button. Okay, this is me. So basically, this is the when you call your friends, looks like this. Okay, if you don't want the video, you can press this one. So video off. And this is mute. Mute your voice. And okay, I turn on my camera again. Wait a minute. Okay, so now it's turned on. And this one is switch the camera, so press this one. You can switch your camera. And also here, you see here the red button icon, you press this one. You see effects here. You just press. You can see there are a lot different effects. I choose this one. Happy Halloween. And there are a lot you can choose. So it's funny. Okay. Where's the normal one? And you press this icon. Okay, so now it's no effects here. And you can press here, the white arrow here, go out. And there's a portrait, you can press here. Okay. And also low light. No low light. Yeah, there are different functions you can choose and press. So it's basically function here. Okay, if you finish your call, just press this red button, red icon. And there's a FaceTime. Only Apple user can use, so just press here. And basically, there will show your friend's name here if they are also use iPhones. So I just call myself. Like this. It's not sure here. So basically the function is almost the same like Google Duo. Okay, so thank you for listening in this session. And if you would like to learn this lesson with a Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to this website, www.cyberseniors.org, or call this number to register for a one-on-one phone session. And we also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. on Thursdays. So thank you everyone again.